Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Thank you all for coming in. Anyway, today is weekend. So I've just relaxed here, so okay. A few things have been going on social media. And I come across a video that this our sister did today as well. Hope you can hear me clearly. It's your Touchable Mama. The video, I was at work today. Somebody shared it to me on Messenger. I say, what did they happen again? And I go and say, so what is going on? Because, she is not the saga type anyway. So I haven't seen how, prognosing in many issues on social media. She's kind of, she's not the saga type. You understand? So, like, even she herself was saying it that, sorry, like, many people have not seen her in that mood, reacting in such mood before. You understand? But the reason why I kind of say, okay, let me even touch on that first. The name that she keep mentioning, Makata, in a way, new Biani, everywhere, and I large, by social media. We said it about matter. Now we nearly while and I by social media. Let me go back to where I was before. Now we near here. Don't say. We near here like social media. Please go and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Joe. Don't Niger Talk. I'm starting my video there soon. So you have to be on YouTube. Don't Niger Talk. So I say that now we near while and I meet it by social media. Na ya. It's still money while we video ya. Ona we peni money cow. Or he reply. What next? In a while, oh yeah, la jawa. Oh yeah, la jawa. We man a lot ya hamuwa where. The only thing neru wala hiyahu no ori nye were. Ma bega ene. Ma kuria ma mio ene. It was a vision. As a woman of God, now the only thing neru wala hiya wow. No hiyari nye ye matanari. No, because anybody ne munika ya gbeka. Eru wala laje. Now, what any why I tear boy oil ne water. Oil tie. Not make they so that such thing will never so that it be matter on here. Egi latian. Man monica me gba me gbi na ya gba me saga so that any wala no waro oni. Inyagusue. We said it from the sunset. Our time. Okay. This is a new page to share it out. Share it out to Joe. Share it to your friends on Messenger, WhatsApp. Many of them say, I never see this woman like this. Una no say I not be like this. I understand. Yeah, and no where we are not because why I don't get time for anybody for that social media. I just they do my thing. If you want call social media, not get friend, not get enemy, just they do your thing, they go. Mona no verse if you know they hear my voice like this, Mona no verse, why I agree, no say I dey talk my way, you could take it, bet what other son of me,
On a son in break, not the now, then make me stay my lane. I did this, I did my own jaja, or Percy just tell me, say, what did they happen between you with Oje Gillen? You know, I'm not going to I know where Mary, where I do, let's hear how I made the business name, and I did do my thing, they go, what happened? He said they cause he head, they cause he picky, cause he mama, cause he papa. No, what it concern me, concern her. Which video that they know they want me? I don't see how. Where, which day do that one? He said, do one this morning. I said, I'm not watch. Maybe. If they
share the page out, Charlie. Share it out.
I can tell many people say, if they follow me now, no, say I know they get time like that. If I see the one with the cut, I'll pick out. Say me, I see what they talk for them. Then he can't send that on give me say, John wash out from year to year because he get no time. And I am where Joe. If you guys, why don't you even go fear cool level, but all too. See, I may tell you, all the doctor, una become is some never way. And how about you when they ma or blow by call it? I you why? Don't know you where? One is one know can I tell you? Who here where they social media? Area, but we're doing that. One bell about fear cool level, or fear cool level. One, two. I want to go one day. Oh, you go on. No one say. But when I don't want to know your head, it will move. Who you go on? Well, I'm going to do that when I say, go to Kajo, then you not here. I know they fear anybody. My mama, you know, you go why to one meeting. People will know me, they don't know me already. Ima Bama and Ima go on my wawa, Ima Rama. I just say me, I don't maintain myself. Who do I feel? Who know we are in Yape, Yakare, Ruba, not the Yakume, go.
Oh, no, I don't know. Oh, no, but what begging now, matter now. Egie, cause you may want like Ogie. Wow, body na tell matter. Wa begging matter na, wa begging matter na. Wa begging. A video na and me what be na the sister now, a system man aware. Anything? All right. The system man aware. Na. Na we video na yen. Any wala malajian wa. Yes or no? Or lajian. Oh, now you money why Nick be no roji malachana we. My brother, Oga Dumes. Emi nu hia o. No hia ye nu we. No anywhere can I anywhere. Oh wala in anywhere. Any dos matching ema ye tie gina. E no sense in nika si boviere a. And yeah, a time near over here will get your yagboma is ema ye tale social media. That way, do we no yati a boni? It yati a bo, ye nama. Ma understand? In a way, and every while I like social media, a line will be Monica, I have a loy koshi. Because anybody know where yagbe can. Oh, yeah, Latin. Unless I do what I get a 1 million video near yati a boy, ye ga win na dan. Oh, you might buy as other fanny he. Even well, okay, on political ambitions. Imagine him going to politics. Only while. If you have mind to go into politics, to do greater things, to do big things, I don't know if they say comment. They do big things. Wagbe no yabu. In future. Egbe staying na kwe no wrong egbe. If people when I win the money via doji I'm at here, juju no de ku, juju no de ki, oriri raw. That way, I can already not run a him. Una temi yo magbe. On one na ya tie boy your way, na ya out by ever. On what a big tie you egbe, you know what try am again. Oh, go try. Cause when I tie you are not invited that courses to your household. Cause someone is tie boy as in egbe. Ma understand? I know. Okay, my take by Bonnie Shaw. Often, anybody in Monica Yari law way be less assured. Every 1 million on 1 year water, any do wala must to large way. Oh no, vac on 1 tar or large papa wala enini all Latin. Anawe, my brother. Ya tie bo tie you demata to shut people up, to make people remove your name from their mouth. They will never associate you with Monica again. Okay, ba ino kan okay. Imagi tali loe. Ama for nya. Ama like social media renya. Ama hands nya. Oh, Monica we kan we wa ho. Believe you me. Eni aje we like we. That was the reason why we say go and swear and take your name out of this nonsense. That was the very first advice we give to him, which is not still too late. On my year for in the month of July already. 2021 now we allow 2022 and allow on the buying. The same thing. Oh yeah, here you don't want such thing. You don't want it. Take your name off this nonsense, my brother. Ya mwe boy na. No dey anywhere you were evil. Take your name off it. Maybe it's not very new word. Maybe you're not finding phone. I don't care. Man, understand. So do enjoy very young. Cause see wahala. If it's something you don't like, you are not happy about it. Take your name off it.
Because I did the do my thing. I'll make another way video. Maybe many of you now don't listen. I'll wear a touchable mama. I'll wear fishing any video and not see a banana one with bog boom, wishing him or bog boom, moving ye. Or where you were fishing a job. Now, not telling you no, my mujo. When I don't see the video whether they for the talk better thing for in there.
Like and follow this page.
Show me.
Our YouTube channel is Don't Talk.
I never see. Since I did social media, I don't see person where they talk good of this woman. And they can no when you do and they can stand on ya bakara no. Huh? Ọmọ kukumba amure. Then you when you tell them no money, imam anybody, I don't see anybody where talk better thing. We are not carry. I even they remove say I no one carry this one too what, this one no one carry too what. And you know the moment they for they give her advice, I will see pick out. Now, say some people that they give you advice, they must insult you for inside. I will see pick that one, put her for there. Maybe she go learn. Wow, bell. That's why you know they are doctor. One year, Bona. Monica Laba, shine your shine 1 year. Wow, then it's tired your range because I'm not carrying when not your bonnet monubie. Or how move when we are in Yabe. I had a look at the
On your remote, how no ya bakare well. It's a low boy. Hey, social media. Allow ne rofo. Una know it Aro eva. Man na go saga with social media. Aro eva ya hamu aro eva ni. Maybe the bag more the manager na we are included. Aro eva. Man na go saga with social media. Number 1. Anybody we here we winner. Una ita one winner at the moment. When I have Facebook, we dey 1 star no one, or we dey 2 star no one. You go no need him working. Or Facebook, YouTube we get we dey no you say no you at all na be which. When I know money at this very when I work one right the name right now. Or one winner. Egwe with saga. When one make no ya live video or other Facebook or like YouTube. Or okay, YouTube, or like Facebook. Don't follow that person. Do saga. Why? What? Any new person or no that way like live video. No, only my mana ya we na. Maybe my daughter Tani agbe America ya one. Awa asun. Agwi ma we saga. Agwi ma we saga because I had that swear. I must go on topic. Amo everybody when I get go with manager na your mama like me e mere ni ma very yo ada swing another one swing we must find topic. I must to go on topic where I dey gbo la jane where You don't want that the wasa guy. It may be so yeah, that all the wasa guy you are gear. Do any reality? I beg, I don't want your trouble. You see, they follow everybody, they fight. Now my wa carry come. Just leave me for my lay. You are again. Only me, they lay on him. Where? Hey, Sagani. Odo here su godo. O wa su here. O egbe we don't so the way ya. Well, yeah. A topic we are money many. But here you got a topic in me. Oh, yeah. Aso. Avant biba wana wo wa do gwali me. U me da wala dia me my topic ire. Ubega so no aru enva any newcomer with live video and anybody name winner egun we saga una wa ga won ni gele o wan ni mu egbe maybe one wan ni me winner one ni you no get time for live video that one a different thing o wan ni so live video ne me winner wo we ya go we saga we a topic we mu de ni na ado aha mo wan ni we wo he go ewe me winner we ya get go ene what's here na ya we topic for why not we about wa to lo won omode a topic wa we no u ga wa nehu omode a topic no eri o wa se you know so those two people egunya we saga wa be mi we anybody nu here ero ne go atalo ero me no gun na lo ya fegere mi awa ko we wa talo suta uri ga dime iya bi we gbe la o awa atalo here you know. So why do my reason for coming live was two things. Okawa me video ne system na system untouchable mama wa we done yonena. Wa we mi no we aprokova. So if me video ni na we eni ru wala ye laje. The month July na wa we la na na wa second is eni ru wala wa we laje na month na. Na no bia na we here like social media re o bia na mana ya vembo. No ya tie boy no ya gleri ni yi matter na no ya line ona okay una no like una no hate and that this is not this is not egbe matter na egbo bia we ni ye da fen we ni ye my ke ni ye de ya we ni no the very first day ni ho ni agege wa na e nya we no do don smart sha e don smart action man no okay wa we di e don smart e don smart action man no sha na we she for tie the way ni action ni wa take piam e wa no piam no gege na wa pre ya wa press teto ya ma ba we reaction they took that action prompt wa no prompt. And today na we me aron person you know bad do most any year sister ni egbe or don smart egbe they can't try it cause we there omo boy ya isi ni egbe action ni e don smart never egbe li go ye o we party I have any Dumezi road Dumezi enemy enemy you know it did you know in Dumezi u I want to honorable riya wa ya behave say honorable people. They honor themselves. They don't want stain at all. So I show they don't smart to take in. Me a boy ni ma we do say na wala ye not a small one she buy. A small one she no I want so buy a small one she we. You're not a small one she buy. Ono what the 20,000 a small one. A small one she win na matter na. I wait in Nigeria say true phone keka. I want no recorded you or what recorded you or send the egg in my social media babana and we are on anybody no you run tie. You are invited that cost to your household now. You are invited we see a bonny lawa. Who you see a lawa. Ma understand. This is not a matter of no place there for social media. No, if you are innocent, you do the needful. You are not pleasing anyone. If you know that you are innocent, that you are not guilty, you do the needful. So make sure that egbe stay anywhere your name. Nobody will bring your name. It's anywhere again. Ma understand? So we want a video on the system and now we need to allow la janenya. Mete we June any July ya we so are ni. Now anybody munika really go saga no ya go me. Be less assured. that name will surface again. And it will never go off social media until the needful is done. On your wo. So how it my so with social media? Well, life in Nigeria. A weapon. I came in on the yobo name yobo give a Europe in Magina. Yobo vegbe yobo give. Ma understand? Awa bi are dogben so ya we say dey amie yobo maybe we so one we temper with one we no total we dey bai. Ma me weapon na. Ona the one era ni me one. I will forever appreciate that person. I will forever be grateful to that person. That we do what we say. I will now away. The way me have a time money, my way. Of my way have it. Anybody may read tell me money ma. We your one you bono me. What we na we say like I say lord me. He say lord what no we now time we very. But yeah, by one in me, I want to do, I want to give me okay. Oh, well, on go up when say, on appreciate me, understand? So, I don't mean now we could be born one itself, or we will make us anywhere, young born myself. Okay? Mammy, a weapon. Una mi on all you where you were, where you want to do where's your view. One your saloba, well, no. It bone already on it, forget live video talk. Forget saga talk. Forget we not here working with social media. Now me they tell people if you know say na social media power day, you are powerless. Alright, social media chingweji. After social media, you are nothing. You are powerless. So you boy I see level see lovera. You boy I see le ran see le. Be sewing your agbada according to your size. Ma understand? I don't always say where. We real life. Social media, live video. Real life. Oh yes, say I know. Or soup more, you know. Say oh you go, you know. Or so maybe one make if your mama make a dear, don't stay in one another, don't dear, you know, the ajo one meal, don't veer, don't who don't want meal. Anything now soon with you are that person. Me not say. If you have to block that person from WhatsApp and Facebook, do it. What you not say? Would they say any one you know? Would they say no one come out with measure? Me na me anywhere we gbarun pa obupo giver or even ni wagle wa we say we real life. We gbiyan ye say ne me mie ya we live video. Yen wa ona bi egbe na ohun. Ona wa le na ohun. No. No matter how you stubborn rich, your character must seek show for so you go show for your talk, for your behavior for social media. The way you be, you go see show. At one point, you know say this person on we go lo fure no. Or one no go leme. You go see, you must show where you know be alatian. Ma understand? Rule that way. I wanna who you born when. Okay, maybe we revenue Mike and allow when you so. One way never we come away. A corona law. It have a ya live there. It have a yawe ni benare. It have a yawe I do maybe. It have a yabi I do maybe. Advice ni keka yobono. Iyobono. Ono gidi yobo ki yobo nu wene. Ono idi ajiye. Asama wini meje. Ebu ni meyo ne. Ija no wa iwe boro wa. Imana ya ikwen vyogi charity shop. Iya no wa I boro wa. Never. Awa egodi ija no wa I boro wa. Me awa ahono ga me ija nwe cause do ha me wo re godi we God yan ameti hion ameti ya amomi go we hang go muno for what awe kuso awa huwa no borrow no thank you very much imunwe momo worry my mi ya kwa asa what say awa huwa imeti zingbe o imunwe I will not borrow you and I will not dash you eni egi meti janu anyway dey no momo you know On where is a cuckoo kona me ukbe wa gijo. We give you more. A love for Savannah. One year what am we baba. Why wow baba. Oh when so pan to ni kabaka na Latin. Ona do tell me a Boston. What they not say any to ni kabaka na go a Boston go. The when what say ya attack again. Abatobaze. And a Boston abatobaze no nyamujo muhi. Pareil Tony Kabaka on a do do few begi e Boston. I remember where Abatobaze hi ladian. Owe could you believe where owe gene Tony Kabaka ya gwe Boston gwani. Owe maga ha me Boston where ladiano do gwagwa. Ga ladiano fire for what? Ladiano do wana ladiano do gwagwa. Owe Boston na where Awe Boston na we ekenie na mie iyobo. Ekene pa Tony Kabaka ya no ekeno na rescue yen. Iyobo no die nie, e no ya de nie. In fact, awe mi on paro ne Tony Kabaka ha mie no wiye. No hia jinye la dian dojo jane. No hia jinye la dian dojo jane Tony Kabaka. Abatobaza gi temeni. Boston, before then, he may get okay. Boston is one of Governor Obaseki boss. He may okay, I will talk to you. Yeah, Boston, after you watch a video about Obaseki, you know, so I respect him, man. From Uria, from afar. Me I me a video about Obaseki, brother. You know, I just have that distance respect for him. Awe Boston na awe emi ne Tony Kabaka uniye. Awe hone Tony Kabaka kena wa talo nyan ase. Awe ye hiya meti la dem social media do ajoja ne. That a Boston where on any wisdom no. Okay, since Abatoba say attack Tony Kabaka ne. Gien wa we follow up. Gien wa follow. Reni Boston wa Abatoba say reni yen va do awe collabo. Yeah, we collabo. A collabo is saga. Collabo insult on one person. Okay? But a bosto mawe, ladder, mawe. When a bosto yeah na I can only not de by age to Nikabaka John. I can only not de coin, On a what the gue, a pa, alpha. We got a road door, maybe I'll go about a kid. I will do any yarning, politics in him. We say, yon pa ro no hia ye to ni Kabaka mo we e Boston. And we are what it says so. In Vanny they can never correct. In gwan and ya gwan na hwe the a room waro ni eba hia wa ya gwan se. In wa be house. In we are your bonegbe. We not that way. In ya ma tell no konkon my gbe. Yam they no exchange strong word. Yama tell yama do toge nya gbe social media in the name of where atalo mo gwan se social media don't paro no gwan se when we mo nu we don't pa mo no ege ya ha me ma wa atalo eba ma oge ekene se ju eni ekene se kwa we iwe eni when a gift no your mo e bari ya lekini mu ye wana nya mario ka mario egede be ma ni mete mi e bo oji o imi agbe merike ya o ya gbe konsila yo e ya akimi ma wi ya bi o we tala o pa o sege na social media na ye mi fa o fo to ne imi we ni ya mo gbe e no da e ni da pa ki are na you no ka settle ne ba wa gbe vo we live with you ma understand so Boston ya o we there is no thing even a Boston over ahwe not anybody where maybe where table store give a gwali yo bo can not tie. On all your bono ever that way or no say no. For him not to come out work here, to the kabaka ogumegwa, where if you work here, Sada Basaki, Boss of Basaki, Yikia, if you work here, only not the license in Yenya, into ya gwe, to the kabaka anyhow, you know. It's on the kabaka anyhow. But on my way, so a bon able stone, any ehuni na so ba kiro ne lawa uda we ama mama make no na gbon wa yesede on so no asike ufi we ni ya wo e ma ano wa ni oriyobo no ne maybe you bude no ma obi egbe ne distance yourself wagwe ona wa to awa to gbe but don't let him or her invite you into even no winning we ma like ege ru awe yo. Distance yourself. Ona we me ya we na na hama my sister or my brother ima like so me ma just we marry ma no stop where I will know my gui. So I don't want to be associated with it anymore. So that's it. Often to wagwe is better than kenu e gbon wan yo kenu ma he o. Idine we that bosto oni e page. Ebosto, they told no K page, no do ya saga to Nikabaka. Oh, me supporting na. Kakabo. Cause a man you get a wa the anyway take Kabaka bottom man abroad. Ah, yeah, wa ati yo. I want not buy, but mona they contribute. Yeah, wa ati yo, abi? Oh, yes. But okay, when ni yanebo. Okay, when ni yane at the end. What for? The gain in Ogiro. Ema alenie we ken we na meti wagbon tonika baka yeah I don't hear some things now canona gelewa rescue I don't hear some canona gelewa iriyobone you know I can we na meti gbon 1 year say did you my brother am I be egbe na but e posto malada do go tonika baka woni mami ni we go agun Oni mami ni we egeni ewe to ni kabaka ya hia oni mami ni we ma be mi so ni ada ido ya saga with social media oni mami ni we ma den story kabaka kakaka unu ma hia e bo so ho no hia na meti gwa na meti taloa na meti vanwa with social media owa wa yon no mind say yon ne appreciate me. If your power lie on social media alone, you are powerless. Ume power ni, you are total powerless. Waga wuyo na we amini ni so Oman we me in real life. No say social media bege wa ogegbe ne, ujup mo ene, ujeva o wa ene, uvieva ne, unwa mo ene, unne yo toilet ona ya mo e flush Una ya mo eve flush you know Owanu so wa ogegbe ne ulai kitchen ne ulai parlor ne umuye edede ne ove mo we dede ne yeah why wasunu umeti be mi na say so for you now we man no ihu we e man no hi we they are your friend they are not. Yeah, be one asike, one go away lawa. Cause once you get in, once you get out there, enuma mi ohia yata. Enero wani kakaka, when we hear yata lele wani here. That is you, that is who you are. Una word cow, udo word giver. That is exactly who you are. That is is in your character, is in your nature. On born who hear anything. Umiti la where what you tell me pay me but the time we will take play I will let them go. But if I keep seeing your videos, see if they attack me, I go block you. I no never block you now. When I go over you. On one nigga on no hurry if I be queer, Daro and Vodia say now when I'm Maria no way no media. Oh no hurry if I be queer, ya na who you born you no one and ni attack eba. On one you stop. On one you stop. That attack we know carry on. That person will not carry on with the attack. My brothers, my sisters, you know, such behavior is no good. People will distance themselves from you. Forget him and all call your worry life. Before a man call you show winner. Insult him man oka with your bonu winning. A man oka with your bonu winning. All of una don the roll. All of una don the mingle. Una don the, you know, una don meet each other, una don see each other. Una don drink from one table. What happen? What happen? What's here? Again, Tony Kabaka ya gwe Boston. We ya ye mama aro ni ga ati Boston. But Thomas every when people they call a Boston, they tell us say, come on, fire on when enemy on our wahua. Or wahua. Oni omo no enegbe. Wawa. We ya ye, there are people that will call you. Even waro ni a watch you we. Do any data. Do any internet. Even we are pay internet for that 1 month. Add your account. My brother, pay your broadband for 1 month. 60 euro. Oja 1 month in. Every year. Avant. Obuye wa aladien. Wa aladien. Wegele wa aladien. We are mille sokuze bude. Asake jon ya pitan we kona so wa ori akere. My brother, I don't get you. If your power allows social media alone, you have to be careful what you say about people. My social media now. It's again all day. It's again maybe where send somebody, maybe that person go give people injection. I know the injection where they talk now. Nobody say that one. A man so royan de kwegbeyan ayegbina physical fight all ye larry. They go tear themselves. You go too bloody. Iyan de kwegbe iyan ayegbina. You talk something for somebody body. That person come and call you. See that person is hungry and is bitter. Say, what do you talk? I never talk anything for body. What do you talk for my body? So I don't get them. You know, they my body. You know, relent still. You know, relent. Are you that person? Una don't mingle before. Una don't roll before. You know, if we take that, it's okay. We don't roll. I can't come and can't tell this thing for your body. This is the person they react. So okay, may I stop? Let me answer. No, you still keep going. You still keep going. Honestly, someone like I will not even say hello to you. I will not. You know, I will not. There are people like that on social media. We know you one more money. We keep our but no man soon no what time. If you want to get here with me, we know why you now and it's not true. I will not be boy born bave. You know what if born. My God, you must be a very shocking fellow to talk like that because we read social media. That is a very terrible and very terrible behavior. You know, very terrible. You can even insult the man or the woman or the sister or the brother, but going as far, even if you want to, with social media, you know, there are things you just don't say. Do that way. Also, balo or how musewelare eruru ayagbina. Ununa wapine, gawa eruru gayagbina. Now you know time igbeno. Asamoto or ye wan kore. No matter what. Even what that means start by there. Or if your mobile bear aruwe tram and allow it in your why? Because I'm a tell a live video about he want me away tram me to where or why here or why here no why you here or why here. So anybody know what no me ti wa vibe my gbe ni ama yen die yo. Abigbe ne ya kele de we wa re le bi ya lewa. That you can come on live and lie. you will lie. You will keep coming on and keep lying in your mind. They will distance themselves from you. I don't know when we're carving in real life. I'll be a good woman on my deck and I beg with social media. You know? Where that is not a being very on it is not to your nature. When I be my yes. Oh no, a weapon I want to summon we one no salo bueno. Oh, sir, I mean, or you know, one more. Mammy, ni talo see me as a video. Ya right at 10 why worry. I mean, no borrow me go away bo. Oh, logo, me come on, my sister. Go when we are save. O have a Nigeria away mother Christmas. You go when after. O me no no momo. Our sister go do when where if you go via boki. Not where I can go the for. Waro to keka. O me. You go ge wa ara country we ge ahun. As all when me go ya gago where ya gagbo. That's the most important thing. That is the most important thing. You are not going to borrow from them. You can hold yourself. That is it. You know? I will not you how do you know moment? If you wanna go when winner. Oh no when salary will kick back. But so okay very careful we're broken. Okay, very careful now. I miss salary when we're broken. We are looking forward to when a debt is on you on the salary. We are in Europe now. Many people do things because you have a good credit rating. You have a good credit rating. Una with contract phone, your man answer. You know you are killing that's your record. Yeah, one of when foot our like bank we move ya we cover ya kere. That is how it is my koya we me. That is how when an have man. I feel gbejo. You understand? Who do me on the way do oh one in we any a light well we one there. Ah sayo. Una Wi-Fi give me password. A Wi-Fi na eta sayo. Eta pay game. If I know where you you are. You know? So there are things in life. Una mi egbe ma verio. No welcome we as a family. You have to appreciate them. Egbe ma verio makbo. E we bona wajena. Inya makbo. E wan so no we party. None of the invitee no kwe addressing no we party ni. E kwe. Wa de area na na moyo ni. Oya go hotel wa ni. To go and book it yourself and go there. The help you can do is to pick you up from the airport and drop you at the hotel. I'm going to be a Joe winning. Near what that fion, ya we vinye by or walking in don't. In kwe, ma would the where they come me, I can't sleep there. In kwe, if they have to spend money to go and put you in B&B, so be it. Or we and allow. Oh no, say I get small children, so we don't entertain visitors. You know, or why would you may want 100 to access guy? You can't stay in my house. Why I want to get you can't. Process guy can have me. Yeah, I don't want it. Our war. I don't want it. Where do I wear cigar? One time the way I go smoke for bag garden. Our war. Oh yeah, we are loud. We don't our war. We don't. I don't want them to see that. Only I want it. I don't still want it. You understand? You know. So, when you bavi your radio life in Anna yena. Oma bo. Una mi ono we no webo. When it now offend you, look for ways to handle it. Again, social media mighty, I've said to him, ya go valley saganya. When I walk by so be via sene, every year I hear where one and I rioje, but my seno, I can't associate with him. And anybody when bad my phone bavity again, only you'll be lucky. Do me on all come will come my house. Come out. Yeah, be a where. I don't know a bad mistake about we here. Yeah, we are no surprise now. Yeah. Now today, people with the help, you know, we say they carry the social media, can't they insult them. Or phone. You know, social media will tag moya na here. Or tag moya is social media. Oh, tag moja. People are listening. People are seeing you all over the world. You know you get a character where ona offend ona provoke wa temi hedo wewe. Ono mean wo agwa wewe you pause. Ewe don't carry on. Just keep lying one lie upon lie upon lie. You know, I don't know why me myself social media na. Yeah, wa money name. Efo eriye. Oni me ye ma igwale wo ke wa ya woni ye. To se bo ma iwe monica iwe gbese ke no ye na ya. Eneru wala na ye we ladia. We ha me okay, a social media president we na ya ha me la wo eneru wala ni la. Hey my brother, we will drop e pa oni ma ye drop ore wo don ya o. O. E monica yan oya gbese ke na to se bo mama ye yan. Touchable no eri ono cause touchable no pa no religion mi ni he gbekere touchable mama yan ere ni ru wala yan of office me I blame touchable mama. I can't blame her. A weapon na me aya gbe na ma understand I yon tie social media now and on no tie ru wala hon ru wala hon no time na ni ma understand me na so yen ga yen work na ni no won tie gbe nwata o ya te boyo so that anybody in the Monica Bekan, they will not mention his name anymore. So that his name also online social media. That would be it. That would be the end of everything. On why aware ya we keep bill or ya te boyo. We me my Italia. Or when you go anybody with saga wa hoya. Or lo okay the way they na cause boyo. Yes. I don't know where it is. I got cause boyo. You know, so there's action that you will take. Other people either like action, they might like action, but who are way or matter to remove your name. But we are telling you, we are telling you on the however Monica was here or see a little see a new wala social media ever see allow. Yeah, about going market don't can have ye. I understand. Yeah, I'm not here, Bonnie. Every day maybe where yeah, but not seeing ye la only no. Anybody know ye time. Ebony wa gba ya wa cover yen be unu ya fefe ni making a like social media. So they no here la dian where we say no wala nobody will fit come fight the fight. In fact in a ega fight. The only fight we go fit remove in name come for social media or Ebony no here ya ti yen ra gile opa ever. That is it. Ofo wala wo tell no pa tell ni ho. Awo saga we gui Aisaga na ya ba ma oge o. Obu anu po giver. Una enro ma o make no na assist you ene. Iyobo ni o yihere o. O yi come out. Iyobo as if for real life. O wani wa we gun have mu you know have a zero life. Have a discourse. Uno idi aji anything na sunu. Aso wani ma gbo mojuwa. Emo wo sa. Emi ro pero. E may beg anything va. You can't say you can't tell me say why you can't say my brother he say poverty. He say you know or man mean anything. You know? It's something you can just overlook. Overlook it. If you have to call that person in private, my brother say what you talk, but it's okay. I know what me and you can call because of this man nothing. Well, that one you block ya. For all you man, you have your reasons. Do we akọ ela den live video de we iyan unu ta lele me but igu we gwan ruda we ma mingo ne me o gbe gbo se we yo. That is it. Just people will respect you more. People will know that ono me deserve him. Ono appreciate it. Friendship na am I me egbe wa won wani wa me egbe ni as una don hug una say una don't wear that person cloth either you know what about whatever. People say borrow. Oh, say what say? Oh, why guys say? I give a borrow egg me. Man understand? I give a borrow. My son, I give a while like egg be life radio. Give me this from me. We give me my care. Our way, me you know when we going. You know. So I don't like it. You know. Any me, I won't long like my word. You women is your. Mana like wa ma bo here we ya borrow ebu. Oh, ufi one on say when or ya we. So why a friendship radio ni? Ezo na igaro no so ilo lo mu ni kana ona ho which kind friendship they say they play for 10 years. Ida yakwa. Wa yo we gbe na if you wa ever make gbe na. What he was yezo, you know? So I know. What want to igaro on a video. Man, emi na sunu. We had to be like social. I don't if we work on my good way as a presenter must to go. The one we are presenting, eh? Oh my God, Eman, no already respect in. Ah, I must start by social media and so yo. A ministry ni eba ni maya with social media na. Oye nini now do you get a CB for the past few months. Or get a show okay, maybe a ministry ni a hero. Or my larger one day. A sister ni my larger one day. No do you know more a pastor or the head of that ministry. No do you know more the one way or another, no do I insult, no do I judge. Amawe. A sister ni my way with social media now. That is a sister, that is one of the respect in men. Amawe, but within that, you know, Italian, they was expecting, Ora Jamba, Ora do Taba, Ora do Taba, Amutia, Ora Vemban, Ora Vemban, or Vena, or Ven, no. A character necessarily demonstrate. Only Miami to go was like a game or no reserve. Or no yere work again, again, ministry ni. She took everything into consideration. And when you do a matter ni, the head of that ministry, they can rapport tomorrow. Yeah, me communicate to me. When you can talk, they can help each other in. Yeah, me like Imran you only way you born already ne. Yeah, me you born it better way. We no ya handle it. The way no ya handle a matter ni. On say, on your no result no matter what. Connecting you, 80 when you do attack the head of that ministry. Am I all me supporting her? Because am I no matter lack on it, no way. You know, I know why we support her with social media. Just for her to attack the ministry and the head. This year, you know, is not one of them anymore. On my way, you know. So that means when we dey back, maybe in my group, maybe on one year support. If when you are advocating for someone or normal give we do advocate him, you took it upon yourself. Please do not expect a part in the back. Don't. I'm not saying one full, so why do they disappointed? No. Don't expect a part in the back. Don't worry, tell me. We know you worry, tired. No, only have you which were they buying. All of you were side in with you. We know you were tired. No, you were real. I will like don't know do it. Yeah, me tell where group here where you tell you. Where is side in ya? Me tell where side of power ye. They know on one side. On one side. You know? So Erioji. I know we are doing Usomo. Yeah, that's baba. Happy weekend, everyone. More one senior rotated the leaky about of social media. Always talk. I think we will say. Don't forget to subscribe to Edo Niger Talk YouTube channel. Maybe to do atalo one staff with Facebook. YouTube video. 1,000 YouTube me I can't no ban you. Wa pay or free. Image it hello. On why do I nego? Yeah, I know, cause I'm no. God say ask and it shall be given unto you. Unumena wa yegume. Lawyer Fegere, image it allow wo. Subscribe to Edo YouTube Edo Niger Talk. Edo Niger Talk YouTube channel. But I subscribe, you know. So my people, I beg. If you did social media, somebody don't help you before. And you that person can't get that whatever quanta una get. So I say the person know they owe you money, no kill your picky for inside way. They use wisdom, they handle them. Because and the way you can't take and the way you take handle such person for social media, and I go determine if other people will be close to you, if other people go help you tomorrow. You understand? If other people go trust you tomorrow, if other people friend go get confident in you tomorrow. Friend wey you don't either borrow that person shirt wear, go that person house you sleep, go that person house you chop. Small slight misunderstanding, you know if you hold back first. Nothing, no reserve, no, cool down. You understand? If you feel don't want to touch people, you know if you don't want to. Forget social media talk. Person wey help you for this Europe for real life. Now that one be your God now. E easy for Europe to help somebody. No easy, my brother, no easy, my sister. You understand? So maybe they get reserve, eh? Okay? Maybe they get reserve. Okay, I ain't ready all. I ain't ready all my brother, my sisters. No be so. And please help me to share this page out. Share the page out, Angel. Yeah. So hope you guys are having a lovely weekend too. Having a great weekend. Great weekend. So thank you everyone for listening. And enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye for now. I'm a phone and got good friends to help us. But I want to go to because it's seven. Yeah, for four.
It's so what